Hello everyone, welcome back to GK class. In the previous class was about body frames and the organ system, right? So today I would like to say something interesting. Are you ready to hear? Yes? Okay. Before that, you just look at this image. What is this? Yes, two animals are eating foods. Do they eat same food? No, they are eating different food. We know that different animals eat different kinds of foods. We already learned different type of animals there. Herbivorous animal, carnivorous animal and omnivorous animals. Animals which eat plants called the herbivorous animals. The animals which eat flesh called carnivorous animal. The animal which eat both plant and flesh called omnivorous animal. Now you can check this image once more. How do they eat food? Do they eat same way or different? Tell me. Yes, they are eating different way of eating. So animals have different styles of eating. Now I am going to explain about different eating styles of animals. See, have you seen the cow sitting and chewing for long hours? Say this way. What does it keep on chewing? Do you know? This style is called chewing the cud. Cud means a portion of food that returns from an animal's stomach to the mouth to be chewed for the second time. The next style is gnawing the food. See, gnaw means to bite or chew something persistently or continuously, especially something tough like things. Animals include squirrels, rat, etc. are gnawing the food. Next style is that some animals like frog, lizards and anteaters etc. are use their long sticky tongues to catch their prey. They have a long sticky tongue to catch their prey. Next style is that sucking the food. Some animals like butterflies, mosquitoes, etc. does not have a mouth to taste and eat food. Then how do they eat food? Yes, it tastes food through its feet. It is a long straw-like structure called proboscis. This proboscis used to suck juice or nectar. The proboscis is coiled up when it is not being used. See? Then next style is that some animals like snake, penguins, etc. they are not chewing the food, they just swallow the food. So the style is that swallowing the food as whole. So these are the eating styles of animal. Now let me show you some more animals that have a unique mouth. Here it is. Now you are seeing an animal there. Yes, what is that? Have you seen before? No? Yes, it's an anteater. This animal has a narrow tube-like mouth. It does not have any teeth but a long, thin tongue that reaches about 2 feet. Its sticky tongue collects as many ants as possible. So it has a sticky tongues to collect ants. Next, you can see hippopotamus there. It can open its mouth up to 4 feet wide. It usually stays in water all day and comes out at night to eat grass. Next, you are seeing penguin there. Penguins catches and swallow its food whole. Instead of teeth, it has backward facing soft spines on its tongue. These spines act as a conveyor belt and help to guide the food towards the stomach. Next, you are seeing shark. This animal feeds on several species of fish. It has long, thin, sharp and slightly tilted teeth that are visible even when it keeps its mouth closed. So next you are seeing giraffe there. Okay, why giraffe has a long neck? Yes, so that it can reaches the branches of tall tree and eat the leaves. It uses its 20-inch long tongue to grab leaves of tall trees. So, these are the animals that have unique mouths. Now I am going to explore about some mysterious plants. What do you mean by mysterious? Mysterious means something that is difficult to understand or explain. In other words, we can say strange. Here I will show some mysterious plants. You look at this image, it's a plant. Do you feel it's a plant? No, it's look like a stone. So this plant is called a living stone or a pebble plant. The scientific name is that lithops. It blends among the stone and it protects itself from a grazing animal. Next is that, is there any plant as a baseball? Have you seen? No, you can see. Now you are seeing baseball plant. This is a rare unbranched plant and it has 20 centimeter high. Its scientific name is Euphorbia obesa. Next, you are seeing dancing plant. Will it dance? You know? Yes, it will dance. The leaves of this dancing plants move when exposed to music. The scientific name is Codariocalyx motorius. Next plant is, you all are familiar with this plant. It is called, yes, touch me not plant. It closes its leaves when we touched. Its scientific name is Mimosa pudica. Next plant is Kurinji plant or Neelakurinji plant. Its scientific name is Strobilanthes kundianus. It grows in the Shola forest of the Western Ghats in South India. It blossoms only once in 12 years. Next plant is dragon tree. Its scientific name Dracaena cinnamomea. This plant is only found on the island of Socotra in Yemen. Its branches form an umbrella like a canopy or roof-like covering. Its sap is deep red when dry. So this all about we are learning in this class. See you on next class. Bye bye.